Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving through the Barbican area. So we are turning right onto Barbican Road, but if we had gone straight we would go onto Grandspen Road, and that will take us through the Grandspen area and back up to Shortwood Road, or we could stay on that road and take us up to Constant Spring Road. So we are on Barbican Road now, and this section of the road hasn't been renovated, but as we cross this stoplight we're going to go onto the section that was renovated under the major infrastructure development program, which was one of the best road programs I've seen in a while by the government. And of course it's the government that's in power when you cut the ribbon or officially open the road that gets the recognition. But that project, the major infrastructure development program, was actually started by the government that was in power before. We're not going to call names, that's not important. I mean, every government has a responsibility to build roads, but it was one of the best road infrastructure projects I've seen. It really helped with the road infrastructure in Jamaica. Barbican Road was renovated, Constant Spring Road was renovated, Mandela Highway was renovated, Marcus Garvey Drive was renovated, Hagley Park Road was renovated, and that's just the ones in Kingston. Now a new project is to start soon called the Greater Infrastructure Development Program, and Mandela Highway is going to be upgraded again. The only one section was done under the MIDP. So the second section from the Portmore turnoff to the Old Harbour roundabout is going to be renovated under the GIDP. So we'll keep you guys updated as to when that project gets going. It's in the financing stage now, but they have identified a few roads that they're going to fix. And these roads, the renovation of these roads really make a big difference on the flow of traffic. If you guys can remember what Barbican Road was like before the traffic. Okay, so on the right there's a facility that's a drive-through clinic. They do COVID tests over there. A lot of those clinics opened up during the COVID pandemic. So here now, if we turn left, we go on to Birdsucker Lane, and that takes us up into to the Cherry Gardens area. If we turn right, we go into Hilo, and then here now is one of the more peculiar things you'll find in Jamaica. These business places on the left, like the hardware and the paint store, they don't have any designated parking. So that's why you find the persons parking on the road. And it's perfectly acceptable. Well, I shouldn't say it's perfectly acceptable, but it happens every day. Alright, so on the left now is the Barbican Square. A lot of business places, restaurants, bars. If we turn right here, we go on to East Kings House Road, and that takes us down to Hope Road. So we're going to go straight, and to go straight you have to go into this lane. The lane on the left turns on to Jackshill Road, and Jackshill Road takes you up into the Jackshill area. So what that white highest bus just did was wrong. They were in the turning lane and they should have turned, but people do it all the time. Alright, so this is Barbican Road and we're heading up to the Ligani area. So we're driving out of the Barbican area now. Barbican Road goes all the way up to the intersection of Hope Road and Old Hope Road in Ligani. There you can see more construction going on the right. I must say the construction industry in Jamaica seems to be booming. Almost every road you go on there is some sort of construction activity going on, which is good, because they wouldn't be building all these apartments if people weren't buying them. Alright, so on the right now is Ligani Avenue, and Ligani Avenue will take you all the way down to Hope Road in the vicinity of the Sovereign Plaza. So coming up on the left now is a turn off to Millsboro, which is one of the top neighborhoods in the St. Andrew area or in the city of Kingston. Jackson is also another top neighborhood. So on the right now is Dewsbury Avenue. On the left is the Edgecombe. Takes you up into the residential areas. So do all the roads on the right. On the right is Paddington Terrace. And Paddington Terrace takes you all the way back down to East Kings House Road. But this is a residential area. If you turn left or right, you're going to find only homes. On the right now is Chester Avenue, and that area is also known as the Golden Triangle. So at this intersection now, if we turn left, we go onto Whitcomb Road, and that takes us into the Whitcomb area and back up to Mountain Spring. But we're going to go right and stay on Barbican Road. We are still on Barbican Road, but we're in the Ligonier area now. And Ligonier is very popular because of its restaurants. You have more restaurants in the Ligonier area than you do in any other area in Jamaica. And every plaza you're going to come to in the Ligonier area, and there are lots, has a restaurant. Sovereign North has a lot of restaurants. Progressive Shopping Center on the left has a lot of restaurants. There is Burger King on the right. You have Orchard Village on the left. A lot of restaurants. Then you have Lane Plaza on the left. And then straight down we have Sovereign Plaza. Sovereign has not only it has an entire food court. Sovereign is the top plaza in this area. Alright, so this is where Barbican Road ends. This is now the intersection with, if you turn left, you go on Old Hope Road. Turn right, you go on to Hope Road. So if you turn right, Hope Road will take you down to Halfway Tree. Turn left, Old Hope Road will take you up to Papine. Also, if you go straight across, you'll go on to Old Hope Road as well, and that will take you down to Crossroads. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.